From left to right, we have the drive centre, which is used for securing smaller pieces of wood to the lathe. In the centre, we have the faceplate, which is used for securing much larger, heavier pieces of wood for turning. And then we have the spanner, which affixes them to the drive centre on the main lathe motor. Next, I have a basic selection of tools which you use for wood turning on the lathe. The first one here is the roughing gouge. This is the one you normally start off with, which you can take a square or an oblique blank to a round shape, because it's very quick at getting rid of any rough edges, albeit it can leave either a smooth or rough surface. Next, we have the skew chisel. This is very good for planing the wood down and getting a nice smooth finish. Next, this is called the shear scraper or the parting tool, which is relatively self-explanatory. It is used for parting gaps within the wood, which you can use for either sawing later or for making decorations. Next, the round nose scraper, which is used for smoothing out the inside of bowls or anything else which you are making hollow. And finally, the bowl gouge, which again is used for hollowing out bowls, or you can use it for decorative work such as beading. Here we have the speed system of the lathe. As you can see, the motor here drives the spindle, which is controlled by 4 gears. At the far back is 720 revolutions per minute, followed by 1240, then 1750, and here at the front is 2150. According to the manual, this one, whether you're using spindle turning or faceplate turning, is entirely used for finishing your product, whereas the other 3 are used for roughing. The slower speed, 720, is recommended if you're working with a particularly large and heavy piece of wood, so that it doesn't shake the lathe about too much. As you can see, I've been using the rough gouge on 720 revolutions per minute, and already there is a marked difference. The majority of the bark has been stripped off and it is looking much rounder. So I'm going to continue using the rough gouge, but I have changed the revolution speed to 1750 revolutions. And then we will continue bringing it down for what we are going to make.